This is a $100 no deposit bonus given by the broker. You can see it on a screenshot here on MT5. You can see it right here on the broker. It's a bonus, and as you can see, it's credited right here. And I'm going to show you exactly how I have received this and how you can also receive it within just few minutes. So if you are new to this channel, hope us subscribe, and if you have been following us, just don't forget to like our video for more. Kaya FX is giving away a $100 no deposit bonus, and it's gonna take a long from now until next year. And just keep watching the video because I'm going to explain to you how to receive this bonus. It's actually a no deposit bonus promotion organized by the broker itself, and I'm just going to show you information right here on the page that I'm reading. And as you can see, we have only 3 account types, but it's not really important for now. All you need to know is the type of account that we can create for us to receive this no deposit bonus. The bonus is from Kaya FX, and I'm going to put the link down in the video description. Probably if you can go check it out, or you can ask me on the comment so I can send you right in front of your comment. So you can see the bonus type is no deposit bonus, limited time, but the promotion is available until December 14th 2023, which is actually next year, more than 365 days from here. Okay, the bonus expires after claim 363 days, meaning you have enough time to trade this bonus while it's active on your account, and it's available for new clients only. The account type you have to create, guys, mark this, the account type that you have to create is actually a standard MT5 Saber Kaya FX Enterprise as shown right here at account type, and you have to verify your information. Before that, I'm going to show you all the information that you need to know. Account verification, yes, you have to verify information, and you have to register, verify information and everything by providing your KYC document, which is actually the ID or passport or proof of address, and then you're gonna be verified right there. And the bonus claim, after successfully verified, please create an account in the trading accounts menu. They select live account, claim your bonus in the bonuses menu you have selected. Okay, the steps are right here. Firstly, once you log in, you can check it, it's right here. You have to click on the claim, which is right here on the second tab. Click that claim, and after you claim, it will say already claimed right here, and you receive 100. And then now all you have to do, actually the bonus created your account, all you have to do is just to go to your MT5 and log in with the details that you get. You can get details through email, and then you can see your account is right here as credit. It's showing as credit, and you can only withdraw the amount of profit that you can make after trading certain lot size. So I didn't go through all lot size requirement right now, so I'm going to go through with you guys on the terms and conditions of the lot sizes that are required for us to trade right here for the KFX broker. You can see that they have also cryptocurrency as part of their deposit. Promotion can only be claimed once. Promotion may change anytime. We know that the rules has been like that. And you can also look at the address information here of the broker. Where is it located? Regulation license here. We can also see that it is also regulated by the Financial Service Authority, and the contact details are right here. The UK number is also right here, and the website given down below. So let's go check on the website, guys. Let's go check on the website and see what you can find right there. So I'm just going to click on the link provided here. The broker looks like this. As you can see, this is the front page of the broker. The welcome bonus is right here. As you can see, you can just scroll down and you can read all the information that you want to read on the broker. So it's up to you. You can go through the broker's account types and all the type of information that you want to see and want to read about. So it's really recommended to read through all this information here. And if you want to create this account type, you just go, just click anywhere, just click apply, and then after apply, you then be logged in. You have to log in, or just actually have to create an account. And after creating an account, you can follow the steps that I show you in the video on a few seconds ago. So thank you guys for watching one of my video. It's easy, you can follow this, and See you again on the next video.